We, the students of Dattamaki College of Engineering, Airoli, Navi Mumbai, are honored to present in front of you our BE project on the topic retrofitting in stilt area of stilt plus 3 or taller buildings. So, what is retrofitting? Retrofitting is the process of modification of existing building in order to improve the serviceability requirements of the structure. The conventional methods of retrofitting provided safety against the gravity loads but did not provide any strength against the seismic loading. Seismic loads often lead to soft story collapse. A soft story is defined as a story in which the lateral stiffness is first less than 70% of that in the story above or less than 80% of the average lateral stiffness of the 3-story above. Here are the list of some earthquakes all over the globe in which large amount of human life is lost due to the soft story collapse. Now, the aim of our project is to retrofit the stilt area of stilt plus 3 or taller buildings using steel plates for prevention of collapse due to horizontal loading. For designing the system, a plan was taken which had stilt columns of dimensions 230 mm by 450 mm. The base shear calculation was done using ETABS. Now, considering that the columns are 100% deteriorated, the thickness of the steel plates were calculated. Also, to take care of the seismic loading and to maintain the perpendicularity of the structure, an inclined member was also provided. So this is how our retrofitted system would look like. Now, on comparing the retrofitted columns with the columns which were not retrofitted, we found that the displacement of the columns is reduced. Moreover, the maximum story displacement is also reduced in the retrofitted column. So, I would like to conclude by saying that our method of retrofitting is especially designed keeping the Indian buildings in mind, which are stilt buildings. This method not only retrofits the building for seismic loads but also ensures that the space in the stilt area is not hampered and can be used for parking and social gathering also. These were the references which we took. Thank you.